Ever wondered how a character shift could completely transform a series? If you're a fan of Middle-earth, you might want to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. In The Lord of the Rings of Power, the spotlight has moved from Galadriel to Celebrimbor, and it's been a game changer. While Morbith Clark's portrayal of Galadriel was mesmerizing, it's Charles Edwards as Celebrimbor, who now steals the scene. Season one of the series was heavily focused on Galadriel, and while it was a mixed bag, the fresh approach in season two is proving to be a breath of fresh air, and Clark's performance was exceptional, and her chemistry with Charlie Vickers, Sauron, captivated audiences, drawing 25 million viewers to the season premiere. And their dynamic laid the groundwork for season two's main narrative. And now that Sauron's true identity is out in the open, the show can delve into his villainy more openly. This shift allows viewers to witness the intricate web of deception unfold, staying true to Tolkien's style while exploring new dimensions of the story. Season two will showcase Sauron's canonical relationships, notably with Celebrimbor, who has taken over from Galadriel as the character to watch. Charles Edwards faces a complex task in portraying Celebrimbor's inner conflict, and his role demands a balance of faith, pride, and intuition, all while often dealing with Sauron's manipulations. Edwards excels in bringing this multifaceted character to life, adding depth and intrigue to the series. The initial surprise of the Rings of Power with Galadriel's revenge arc took many by storm, but the focus on Celebrimbor's corruption arc, as envisioned by Tolkien, feels like a natural progression. And this shift, while diverting from the expected Second Age narrative, enriches this series with the intricate dynamics of Celebrimbor's fall. So why did the Rings of Power never become a jester? Because Celebrimbor stole the show? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, like, 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 like.